Croeso nôl.
Hello.
You were fantastic on that poll just now.
Na.
You missed that. I'm going to keep that as a mental image forever.
Oh, what an awful
Diolch yn
mental
fawr.
image I bobl. Oh, drian chi, ar ddydd Sul hefyd. Reit te, amser I ni gael gwers, dych chi'n meddwl?
Yeah.
Yn barod at, take that smile off.
I can't.
Yn barod at Emma Walford. Reit te,
Yeah.
Emma. Mae Emma yn canu mewn band o'r enw Eden.
Eden.
Mae Emma yn actio.
Actio.
Roedd hi'n actio mewn...
Hotel Eddie.
Ie, ti'n cofio Hotel Eddie.
Fi'n cofio Hotel Eddie.
Ac wedyn hefyd, mae hi wedi cyflwyno pryd o ser ar S4C, like cystadleuaeth goginio, cookery competition.
Okay.
Ac mae hi hefyd yn cyflwyno heno ar S4C.
Oh, heno. I've been on heno.
Heno.
Yeah. I've been on heno. Heno was a good show.
Efo Rodri Ogwen.
Rodri
Ac Emma, ti'n gwybod beth ydi mwynhau? Beth ydi mwynhau?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Okay, so...
Beth, what?
What?
O'i ti'n, what do you enjoy? About.
About.
What do you enjoy about?
That's
What do you like about?
Yn union.
Yeah.
So, dyn ni'n gallu gofyn iddi hi wedyn am yr actio, am y canu, am y cyflwyno. A beth ydi live presenting, ti'n gwybod?
Cyflwyno'r... I forget what live is.
Live and to live are the same word.
Byw.
Byw.
Byw. Ah.
So, cyflwyno byw.
Cyflwyno byw.
Ond, ar ôl am is a gair bach that causes a little mutation after it, iawn? So, beth wyt ti'n fwynhau am? Right, if the word is canu, what do you think it changes to? Ganu.
Gan. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah? So just...
Ganu.
Sometimes you can just depend on your ear. Oh, yeah, that sounds right. I've heard it before.
Yeah. The C changes to G.
Na ti.
Cymru,
So,
Gymru.
Cymru, Gymru.
Cymru, Gymru. Cofio?
Caerphilly, Gaerphilly.
In Gaerphilly, isn't it?
Oh, I live in Caerphilly, yng Nghaerphilly. I come from Caerphilly. Dwi'n dod o Gaerphilly.
We're all lost again. Okay.
Paid a phoeni.
Gaerphilly.
Too much at one time, right?
Yeah.
Felly, am rwan, beth wyt ti'n fwynhau am ganu?
Beth wyt ti'n fwynhau am gyflwyno?
Yeah.
Okay.